Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Katharina and thank you so much for clicking onto this video today. So I'm hoping that this is actually going to be the last time that I film this, because the first two that I did, for some reason my footage got deleted, and I'm so bummed because I've been wanting to actually get this video out to you guys. So it's actually a review of one of the brands that I have been following for quite a while now on social media, and it's a brand called Sakura Hoseki, and they are actually based in Tokyo, Japan. So I have been emailing, chatting with them back and forth for the last few months or so, just kind of like asking questions about their pieces and whatnot. And I'm really intrigued and curious as to the quality of it, because this is a brand that's particularly well known in Japan, but also among other social media YouTubers slash Instagram influencers. And so when I came across this, I was like, I wish I had known about this brand when I went to Japan last year, so that I could have visited their boutique, because they have so much more selection in their boutique. Their online store actually has also a lot of selections, but from what I heard, they have more stock in their actual boutique. So the next time that I go to Japan, I'll definitely make sure to give them a visit. I'll try to also put a clip of how the package came in to me. It was actually really nicely packaged, and in the package came this one right here, which is what the item is housed in. It came with a certificate of authenticity and 2 chocolates, so from Japan. So I thought that was really nice. Anyway, so this is a box that my jewelry came in. I'm actually already wearing it right here. It's a tennis bracelet. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but it came in this one right here, and this is the extra link that was removed from my tennis bracelet when I ordered it, because you can actually customize the length of your tennis bracelet, and whatever is left over, they will definitely include into your package. So it came in that, and then again the certificate or grading certificate right here. So it's lab grown, and it's a 3 carat. It's E to G, so the color is E to G, and then it's 18 karat white gold. So how did I actually choose this piece? And let me go ahead and remove this one so that you guys can see a little bit better. Prior to actually getting this, I have also been eyeing one of their 3 carat pieces that's no longer available. It's actually more of a box clasp, versus this one right here is what Sakura Hoseki is known for. It's their patented one clasp or single clasp design, which is a little bit different compared to like your usual tennis bracelet. So you see how it kind of like, it has that clasp and you just kind of like pull it and underneath, and that's how you attach the other end. It's really secure once you know what you're doing. So you put it like so, and then it closes, and so it's really secure. So what's different about this one is that again, other than the clasp, it's a single clasp, and you can actually, hope it focuses, with your purchase you can actually engrave your pieces. So I have engraved mine with my daughter's initials, and then underneath it has, oh, that one says 18K white gold, or 18K, and then this one right here has like a serial number. They also have some 14K pieces on the website. You just have to kind of see and like have a look, but the reason why I went with this one is that well, first of all, the box class that I like was already sold out. So, and I really wanted something that's a little bit more daintier, because I already have a tennis bracelet in yellow gold, and that's more of that box clasp, and it's a little bit too big. So I wanted something that I can wear a little bit more on the, for a daily. And so I feel like this one is definitely going to fit the bill. Okay, so let me give you a little bit of an overview slash close-up look to the bracelet, just to kind of like show you what's different. So normally a tennis bracelet, or the normal tennis bracelet that we have here, is like the box clasp. That's not the only thing, but that's the more common one. This one is not quite that, because This one, it almost looks like the diamonds are floating. So there's very minimal gold in here. And that's also how they're able to kind of like keep the cost down because there's not as much diamond. So this is definitely something that's a lot lighter. So as you can see, I'm turning it sideways. And this is the bottom. You can see that the bottom is actually not enclosed. And so you can see the diamonds underneath it, which is why it's actually really, really light, which is really good for someone who is looking for something that's like really dainty and super light. Like you have this on and it doesn't weigh, it doesn't feel like it's too heavy or anything like that. And so I did weigh this particular bracelet, and I believe this one is 15.5 centimeters. And it is about 3 grams. So very, very light compared to, you know, some other pieces, which is good for like, you know, wearability and just like, just ease of use. And I'm using it with my 16 Love 16 right here, and this one right here, which I got from a local jeweler. So let me just go ahead and put this on for you guys just to, and I'll talk about it a little bit more. Okay, so this is what it looks like on, and the camera is not doing it any justice because it's not it's not picking up how sparkly it is. It's because of my ring light. But really, when you're outside and it hits by like certain lighting, it sparkles like crazy, which I really, really like because it's so like good. You can even like wear it by itself and that would be enough. Like for someone who doesn't like to stack their jewelry or just want to do like more of a minimalism look, this is definitely something that's really, you know, that would be good. Again, this is what it looks like, and that's what the clasp looks like. So super secure. I've had it fallen one time, but that's because I think I didn't clasp it correctly. But ever since, you know, ever since then, I made sure that I always clasp it correctly, and it hasn't really had any like problems. As far as like the diamonds, they definitely look so good and so sparkly. It feels really comfortable, and I have no regrets getting this. The only thing is that when you are ordering from their website and you are based outside of Japan, they don't do international returns. So you better make sure that you are measuring your wrist properly, because if you are not and you get the wrong size, I'm not sure how much they can help you with that, because I know that they're really strict with their return policy. So just FYI. What else? They have also given me a discount code or promo code that you guys can use, and it's going to be right here. I'm not really sure how long it's going to be good for, but by the time this video goes live, that is also already activated. So go ahead and check them out. I'll have everything linked down below, the tennis bracelet that I have chosen, their website, and of course the discount code is going to be somewhere also on the description box. Okay. What else? I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about anything that I've talked about today, or you know, anything else, just leave a comment down below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you get notified the next time I upload another video. That's it for me for today, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.